So today we're going to reread Who Are Government's Leaders? And remember guys, good readers always reread. So our genre for today is informational text, which is also nonfiction. It gives facts about a topic. So as we read Who Are Government's Leaders, we're going to look for captions with photos, main topic and details, and headings that stand out. Our purpose for reading today is to summarize. So at the end of this video, you're going to use your own words to describe the most important ideas in order that makes sense from this text. So again, make sure you're following along and listening as we read Who Are Government's Leaders? Because after this video, you're going to summarize this text using your own words, also known as paraphrasing.
Who Are Government's Leaders? By Jennifer Boothroyd. Who is a leader? A leader is a person who is in charge of a group of people. Leaders try to help their groups and solve problems. Leaders try to work together and are good listeners too. Some leaders work in government. Government leaders help make rules. They make rules for our country, our state, and our city. This leader helps guide the scouts in his troop. Government leaders write rules for us to follow, our country's leaders. Our country's leaders work in Washington, D.C. The president leads our country, and members of Congress make laws for our country. The president and Congress work together. Capitol Building in Washington, D.C. State leaders. State leaders work in the state's capital city. People in each state choose a governor. The governor leads the state. The governor works with legislators who make laws for their state. Most governors are chosen every 4 years. City leaders. A mayor is the leader of a city's government. The mayor works with the city council. Citizens choose council members. Good leaders make our country a better place to live.
All right, guys, so the next slide, you're going to write a summary of who are government's leaders. And remember, you're going to paraphrase. Remember, paraphrase means using your own words. So you're not copying the sentences out of the text word by word. You're paraphrasing using your own words to write a summary of the most important facts and ideas from the text.